Imagine you're standing on Earth 5 billion years from now. The sky is still blue. The grass, if anything is left alive to grow it, still sways in the wind. Everything looks normal, but the sun above you has started to swell, and by the time you notice, it will already be too late to run. Right now, our sun looks peaceful. A perfect golden disk, warm, steady, reliable. It has risen and set for every sunrise humanity has ever witnessed. It feels eternal. But something is wrong. Deep in its core, the sun is slowly running out of the one thing keeping it stable: hydrogen fuel. And when that fuel runs out, the sun doesn't fade quietly. It starts to die violently in slow motion over millions of years. First it swells. The sun will balloon into a red giant, growing so large it swallows Mercury, then Venus whole. This isn't gentle. This is a star hundreds of times its current size, reaching out across the solar system like a hand closing around everything nearby. But here's the problem. Earth might not even need to be swallowed to die. Long before the sun expands that far, its heat output will spike so violently that our oceans will boil away into space. The atmosphere will cook. Any life still clinging on would be dead in minutes, not from fire, but from an oven with no walls and no escape. And it gets worse. As the outer layers of the sun expand, its grip on the planets weakens. Orbits destabilize. Whatever's left of Earth could get flung into deep space, or dragged inward to be vaporized completely. Its rock and metal turn to gas in seconds. But that's not even the worst part. Once the red giant phase ends, the sun collapses one final time, blowing off its outer layers into a glowing shell. Astronomers call a planetary nebula. Something we've actually photographed happening to other dying stars, like the Ring Nebula. Beautiful, eerie, and final. What's left behind is a white dwarf. The sun's crushed, dead core, no bigger than Earth, but so dense that a single teaspoon of it would weigh tons. It will sit there, cooling for trillions of years, a tombstone where a star used to be. And this is where things change. Because nothing survives this. Not our home, not our name, not the light we once called familiar. The unknown part is what happens to everything the sun ever illuminated. Every memory, every civilization, erased so completely that no telescope, anywhere, will ever know we existed. The universe was never built to remember us. Stars are born, they burn, and they die, indifferent to whoever was standing beneath them. And one day, ours will too.